Hello everyone, welcome to another brand new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can lock your profile, Facebook profile. Okay, it's very easy. So first of all, logging into a browser, I'm using Google Chrome, and from here, logging to a Facebook account. I've already logged into my Facebook account. Okay, so now in order to lock my profile, I need to click on here. This is my profile. Go to you can go to your profile, and here you can see a three button. Okay, then click on that button, and here you can see lock profile. Okay, let's click on lock profile and click on lock your profile, and you have successfully locked your profile. So it is very easy to and within a very few simple steps you can easily lock your profile. So if you like the video, please like the video, subscribe to our channel, and do let us in the comment section what kind of Facebook videos you like from us. Thank you.